Running time
Sa fourth quarter lang, hindi. Second 2 minutes. Baka makapunta to eh. Doon mo na lang ulit sa kabilang side. Kasi ginagalaw ko yung ano eh. Ginagalaw ko yung lamesa.
Let's get it on. First possession goes to Panthers. Eto na si De La Cruz. Binigay ikas. Oval. Wala ang unang tiyang medalyon. Espera, Lazarte. Espera, 3-point try. Rebound medalyon.
Ano nila, bebasicin lang nila yan.
Di nila kayang bisikin yan.
Oval.
Then,
Sa gitna. Over to Manayaw. 14 on the shot clock.
Yeah, no?
Good pass. Well played. Credit assist to Manayaw. 2 points for De La Cruz. 2-0 our official tally. With 9 minutes and 16 remaining in our first. Espera Lazarte. Satin. Espera. Ole ole. 9 to shoot. Lazarte drives. Kick out. Espera. Long. Save ball. With 14 on the shot clock.
Bigyan 12.
huwag dyan.
Lazarte. Ole ole. Montillano. Drives. In and out. Rebound De La Cruz.
Eh, yung kakana dyan, no?
Cass. 15 to shoot. Over. Manayaw. Pulls up. Rebound Escuela. Quickly to Lazarte. Lazarte lays it up. No. Over with the rebound. Traveling violation. One step too many for Ovar turnover. 14 to shoot for Team Brothers. Or Team Brothers. 14 on the shot clock. Espera, o Lazarte I should say. Samin all alone. Samin gets the basket to go. All to our official tally under 8 minutes remaining in our first. Eto na si Ovar. Wearing jersey number 9, 14 to shoot. Vidalion, the big guy, pulls up. Too much muscle behind, rebound Samin. Lead pass, quickly to Montillano. Over to, what a play, 2 points from Lazarte. Credit the assist to Montillano, 4-2. Laman-laman ang dalawa ng Brothers. 7:28 remaining in the first, 14 to shoot. Aagaw, bad pass. Espera, quickly to Montillano. Montillano, lays it up and in.
Ano yun yung ano? Wire yung ano yun.
Manayaw, 3 on 4. Manayaw pulls up, short. Satin. Lazarte, being eyed by Cass. Cross court, Esmera. Ang ganda naman. Lazarte. No good. Rebounded De La Cruz. Ligas, Vidalion, the big guy. Vidalion, yes sir. 6-4, our official tally. Save basketball with 21 seconds on the shot clock. 2-on-2 to shoot for Brothers. Satin. Montillano fakes. Sa gitna. Ganda. Ole-ole. No. Eto na si Omar. Omar. Manayaw. No good. Satin. Ole-ole. Fakes. Fakes. Shoots. Gets the basket to go. 8-4, our official tally with 6 minutes and 11 in the first period. Ovar. Biglang pumukol. Rebound ni Vidalion. Offensive rebound. Manayaw. Free throw jumper is good. 8-6. Baba sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng Brothers. Same basketball with 20 to shoot. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Sapin takes the pass. Naagaw. De La Cruz over to Oba. 3-on-1 break. Here's Cas. Steps back. Jumper. No. Manayaw rebound. Manayaw malakas.
Tapos
Ito
tumulog.
si Cas.
Ano pala ba?
Cas. No. Manayaw pa rin. Second serving. Wala. 10 seconds to shoot. Over 3! 9-8, change of favor. Lamang naman ang isa, ang Panthers.
Wala pa nakalo to eh.
Tapos tumalon.
Lazarte.
Nakatalo pa yung brothers na yun.
15 to shoot. Here's Sabin.
Mananalo brothers dyan.
Easy 2 points. 10-9. Lamang naman ang isa, ang Brothers. Under
Mamaya natin sila dyan.
15 to shoot. Binalyon, the big guy. Oba, triple try again. Manayaw, second serving, but there's a foul. Change players. There's a foul on number 24 sa team. That is his first personal foul, first team foul. Change file. Two free throws awarded to number 4, Manayaw. Good on the first is Manayaw. Malakas sa mga dalawa. Rebound there. 10 to shoot. Oba, all alone. Short. Rebound nila yun. Sa ilalim. Sa bala. 6 to shoot. Manayaw. Manayaw fakes. Manayaw scores. 12 to 10. 2-point lead in favor of Panthers with 4 minutes remaining. Bendia gets the friendly roll, 2 points. All 12, ating mong talaan. 3 minutes and 48. Ito si Manayaw. Manayaw. Manayaw pa rin. Blocked. Swatted away. 13 shoot. Siya pa rin. But there is a foul caught on number 88, Betia. That is his first personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws for Manayaw.
Isa pa isa.
Huh?
Bago sa mga
Bago lang eh.
Lebron na luma.
Bago lagi. Iba-iba no?
Good on his first is Manayaw.
Mga tatrabaho yun sa hospital yun. Sila.
Second throw is good as well. Nothing but net. 2 out of 2. 14 to 12. Still up by 2 is Panthers. Espera. Maldicer. Malakas. Rebound Manayaw. Oba gets the basketball. Sa gitna, Manayaw. Malakas, rebound Betia. Espera. Mahaman. No. Sa palang with the rebound. Manayaw. Manayaw. Drives. Rattling violation.
Time out, time out.
Timeout, Panthers. Official score is 14 to 12 in favor of Panthers with 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining in our first quarter. Back to the ball game. Maldicer, nagpababa ng bola. Binigay kay Ole Ole. Ole Ole free throw jumper is pure. Nothing but net, making the tally official 14 all. 2:35 remaining in the first. Cass playing the point. Gives pass to Makabat. Makabat. Maldiser. Maldiser. Oh no. Rebound pass. Pass 4-on-3 break. 4-on-4. What's he gonna do? Nakagaw. Maldiser. Maldiser. 2 points. Change of favor, lamang naman ng dalawa. Ang Brothers, official score is 16-14. 1 minute and 46. Omar, biglang bumukol. Rebound ni Escuela. Metia, biglang 2. Makabat, Maldiser. Naagaw. Vidalion, the big guy. No! Vidalion, second serving is good. 16 all. 1 minute and 23.
Malamig ka ang sino ng hangin, Pasko na.
Lamig.
Escuela. Metia with 15 to shoot. Maldiser, 3-point try. In and out. Rebound Vidalion. Manayo gets the ball. Omar. Traveling violation. On the shot clock. Makabat drives baseline. Kick out. In and out. Vidalion. Omar. Manayaw. 40 seconds to go. Manayaw. 35 seconds. 14 to shoot. Basket is good for number 9. Omar. 18 to 16. 3-on-1. Makabat. Maldiser. Makabat. 2 points. 18 all. Last 16 seconds to go. Zabala. 9 seconds to go. Shabal. Ole. To Makabat. Makabat. Touchdown. 2 points. End of the first quarter. Official score is 20 to 18 in favor of Brothers.
Ito eh.
Back to the ball game. Start of the second quarter. Possession arrow goes to Green. Lazarte to start the second. Sa gitna binigay kay Satin. Lazarte. Nakagaw ni Vidalion. Manayaw. Yes sir. All 20. Satin. Fortiliano. Rebound in the post. Nawala bola. Ito na, 2-on-1 break. Geronimo. There is a foul on number 21. Vidalion. That is his first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 36, Geronimo. Second throw is good, splitting the charity, 1 out of 2. 21-20. Lamang pa rin ang isa ng Brothers. To shoot, Zabala. Manaya pulls up. Malakas, rebound Geronimo. That's correct on Lazarte, I should say. Sapin. Leronimo. No, rebound Manaya. Lead pass Medallon. Medallon, easy 2 points. Change of flavor, 22-21. Lamang ng Tagusa ang Panthers. Lazarte. Montiliano. Naagaw. Counter steal Lazarte. Sabin. Montiliano. Geronimo. Blocked. Swatted away by Zavala. De La Cruz stepping on the gas. De La Cruz wins. De La Cruz shoots. De La Cruz misses. All other players to lose one. 12 to shoot. 8 seconds on the shot clock. De La Cruz shoots. Nothing but net for De La Cruz. 24-21. Lamang na manalo ng tatlo ng Panthers. 7 minutes and 45. Malakas ang tira ni Lazarte. Manaya gets the rebound. Lead pass. Zavala. Takes. Zavala. Gives it to Oba. 15 to shoot. Too much muscle behind. Montiliano. Geronimo. Muscles his way. No. Second serve. Overcooks the shot. Manaya. Manaya. Derecho na abangan ni Montiliano. Montiliano. 3-on-3 break. Vicente. In and out. Geronimo. 14 to shoot. Lazarte. Lazarte drive. Lays it in. 24-23. Pabasa isa. Malamangan ng Panthers. With 6 minutes and 42 in the second. 14 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Medallon. 3-point try. But there is a foul on number 24, Satin. That is his second personal foul, first team foul. Baseline inbound. 14 to shoot. Manayaw. 10 to shoot. De La Cruz. Here is Lazarte bringing down the basketball. Satin, cross court to Montiliano. 15 to shoot. Lazarte. Geronimo. No. Satin. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Geronimo ang loose ball. Luwak to traveling violation. Turnover. Good defense for Medallon. Oba. Medallon sa gitna. Medallon free throw jumper. Air ball. Change players. Change 5.
Ah, ang lamig. Ang sarap. Patakinin mo yung number 92. Magwa-warning na naman yan. Ah,
Wala na natin sa
dyan sa kabila.
Makabat. Over to Andaya. Cross court. Espera. Sa ilalim. Ganda play. Good drop ball movement for Brothers. Change of favor. 25-24. Lumang naman na isa ang Brothers. 4 minutes and 33 to made in the second. Zavala. 15 to shoot for Panthers. Oba. 3-point try. Rebound Ole. Andaya. Behind the back ng Mangabat. One shot from Mangabat. sa isa. Mangaba, kick crossover. But there is a foul. Caught on number 9. Obar.
First.
Only his first personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 2, Mangaba. Two out of 2 on that trip on the line for Mangaba, making the tally 29-26. Still in favor of Brothers. 10 minutes and 44 remaining in the second. Zavala signaling the play. So 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Rebound, De La Cruz. Single. With 14 seconds on the shot clock. Fight to shoot. Basket is good. 29 to 28. Isa lang ang kalaban ng Brothers. 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Andaya. Espera, all alone. Malakas. Rebound. Black ball. Zavala signals the play. Manayaw. Zavala, scoop shot. Big offensive rebound ni Cas. But there is a foul on number 44, Espera.
First.
That is his first personal foul. Second team foul. 14 on the shot clock for Panthers. Cas. Oval. But there is a loose ball foul
92.
on number 92, Andaya.
First.
That is his first personal foul, third team foul. 14 on the shot clock. Cas. And Zavala. Rebound ulit. Quick dito Mangaba. Mangaba. Fading away, 2 points. 31 to 28, a minute and 53 remaining in the second. Cas, 13 to shoot. Ole, ole. Mangaba. No good. Rebound Cas. Cas. Cas fakes. Pass. Andaya. Surveys the floor. Turnover. Cas. Ayaw mo ko sa akin. Andaya. Mangaba. Mangaba kay derecho. 2 points. Lumong na sa tingawang kalamangan ng Brothers. 33 to 28. 40 seconds remaining in the second. Zavala. Manayaw. Free throw jumper. Short. Andaya. Espera. 15 to shoot. Rebound to the Cruz. Last 12 seconds. 8 seconds. In and out. Wala pa rin. 3 seconds. End of the second quarter. Official score is 33 to 30 in favor of Brothers.
Mahihirapan sila. Isayaw mo ko.
Hindi natin sa puti. Lang sila.
Laging di kompleto to. Mas malala sa inyo to. Ang player niyan, 5, 6, hanggang ganun lang.
Dito marami lang.
O, 7, marami na.
Back to the ballgame start of the third quarter. Possession arrow goes to Panthers. Pass to start the third. Manayaw receives Oba. Malakas. Rebound ni Vinalyon. Same basketball with 9 seconds to shoot. 9 to shoot for the Panthers. Oba. Rebound Palmiser. Quick to Geronimo. Good defense. Betia, Lazarte. Geronimo, basket is good. 35-30. Lima ang kalamangan ng Brothers. Manayaw. Easy 2. 35-32. Baba sa tatlo. Lazarte. Valdiser. Back to Lazarte. 15 to shoot. Vicente. Betia. Reverse layup. In and out. Block ball. Substitution. Substitution. Manayaw. Being announced by Lazarte. Good defense by Lazarte. Nakawala. Eto si Zabala. Runner. Offensive rebound pass. Zabala face. Pass. De La Cruz.
Foul 36.
But there is a foul
First.
on number 36, Geronimo. That is his first personal foul, first team foul.
Favorite na to rin ito.
Two free
Yung
throws,
side step
all
pa
is
kanina.
number 11
Dalawang hakbang
approved.
side step.
Arden yun eh.
Lagi niya ginagawa yun eh. no?
Tapos peke.
Oo.
Pag aabutin siya.
Lagi niya ginagawa
Ganyan
yun.
tinutuloy niya eh. Pagka peke niya,
I-jump
tapos
shot ko
masabi.
rin.
Wala munang tira ni De La
Favorite
Cruz.
niya lagi yung ginagawa.
Second try is good. Splitting the charity, 1 out of 2.
Oh!
Hey, hey, hey. Chill, 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 chill. Laro lang, laro lang. Laro lang.
Dahil niya referee.
Pag-double na lang natin para walang technical na.
Kasi warning. Warning niya yung bench kasi pumasok sa loob ng court.
Sabihin mo na lang. Double foul.
Double foul on number 21 Vidalion and number 36 Geronimo. Warning, bench of brothers for improper decorum.
Sige na rep, sige na rep. Okay na.
Double foul lang. Pag pumasok sa loob, warning. Hindi pumasok sa bench. Warning lang yun. Pumasok sa loob. Iwasan natin yung ano, ibibigay natin. Pumasok na yung player. Sa bench eh. Warning for technical. Warning po. Ano po, technical po, second motion na lang yung isa yung natangkalan, di ba?
Warning number 21, Vidalion for second motion.
Paano yung pumasok, rep? Paano yung pumasok yung gano'n? Basically ko, Aron, warning lang yun, warning lang. Pag pumasok yung complex sa loob, wala namang gulo nangyari sa rin.
Nabilang tayo na. Si Vidal yun lang.
Isa pa lang.
Si Ramon.
Pangalawa niya na ngayon.
Vidalion, that is his first personal foul. Geronimo, that is his second personal foul.
Game na rep! Game na rep! Nagugutom na ako rep. Bilisan mo. Game na!
May ganun, sir.
Game na! Game na! Sige, sige, sige na. Rep, bigay nyo na rep. Natatag...
Bagal nyo. Maraming lang tayo eh. Wala kayo.
Lazarte. 15 on the shot clock. Malakas, rebound ni Manaraw. Lead pass, Cass. Cass. Good defense by Lazarte. Stolen. Lazarte stepping on the gas. Lazarte goes to goes. Goal. Rebound ni Manaraw.
Good!
Manaraw. Cass. Jumper. It's pure. 35 all. 7 minutes and 23 seconds in the third.
Dalawa na yung open.
Di ba pinasa?
Hindi pa.
Balbicer.
Paano na tuloy yung dalawa?
Back to Lazarte. Over to Litia. Malakas. Vicente. Balbicer. One shot for Balbicer.
Sabda, wasap.
37-35. Lamang ng dalawa ang brothers. Ito si Cass.
Wala.
No good. Offensive rebound. Nilabas muna kay Zamana. 12 to shoot. Zamana. Vidalion, 7 to shoot. Gandang pasa. 3 to shoot.
Good.
Rebound. Ito na si...
Sub, sub, sub.
Turnover. Substitution. Substitution.
Baka naggalaw mo na naman yung bigas.
Pasok lang.
Pasok pa, pasok, pasok. Pag hindi tumunog, galaw-galawin mo yung wire.
Sabot, ano to, kapag ko lang.
Manayaw. Sa ilalim. Wala. Rebound ni Geronimo. Geronimo, 3 on 2. Balbicer. Geronimo muscles his way. Gets the basket to go. 39-35 against Alba.
Sub, 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 sub.
Substitution. Timeout.
Ah, time out pala.
Panthers.
Panthers o Brothers?
Panthers.
Ah, Panthers. Ah, time out sila.
Naku, mamasi.
Official score is 39-35 in favor of Brothers, with 5
How many
minutes
score
and
mo?
38 seconds remaining in our third quarter.
Kasi 37.
Yeah, tama yan.
Back to the ball game.
Game na, game na. Pahihirapan sila nito. Kahit konti lang yan.
O kaya pa pahirapan sila.
Makabat. Montiliano. Back to Makabat. Sakit. Sa ilalim. Miscommunication. La Cruz. Quickly to pass. Out to Oba.
Wala.
Short. Rebound Ceramico. Makabat. Montiliano. Easy 2 points. 41-36. 41-35 rather. Amin, ang hinahabol ng Panthers. Manayaw. Rebound number 1. Montiliano. Sa ilalim, Makabat. Easy 2 points for Makabat. 43-35. Wala na kalaban. Manayaw. But there is a foul.
Bagal yung mga sa
Foul downstairs.
24.
24. Sapin.
Third.
That is his third personal foul, second team foul.
Tagal ng pasa.
20 on the shot clock. 20 to shoot. $15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. But there's a blocking
Pushing.
foul, pushing foul on number 7, Montiliano.
First.
That is his first personal foul, third team foul. 14 on the shot clock.
Bigit yung laban ah.
10 to shoot. Offensive foul.
11.
On number 11, De La
First.
Cruz. Only his first personal.
Ay, wala pala yung offensive.
Montiliano. Serafico. Sakin. Serafico. 14 to shoot. Montiliano takes. Montiliano shoots. Rebound number 31. Rebound number 24. Manala. Wala rin. Rebound Manala. 6 to shoot. Serafico. 46-35.
Foul number 7.
Foul on number 7.
Second.
Montiliano, that is his second personal foul.
Fourth.
Warning for penalty. Substitution. Rebound De La Cruz. Gandang pasa. 2 points.
Good, 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 good!
46-35. Oh, 37. Makabat, nakawala. Yes, sir. 48-37. Labing isang palakpakan. Ang sinabi ko. Sa team. To go. Montiliano recovers. On the shot clock. Makabat. Yes, sir. 15-37. Lumawa na sa 13. Binalyon.
Sa double ah.
Binalyon. 3-point try. No. Serafico with the board. 4-on-2. Serafico. Makabat. Montiliano. Yes, sir. What a basketball for Team Brothers. 52-37.
Wala na.
50. Substitution. Official score is 52-37 in favor of Brothers, with 1 minute and 31 remaining in our third quarter. 31.
First.
That is his first personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty.
2 free throws awarded to number 4, Manayaw.
Hirap yung signal.
Rotation kasi yung ano nila. Yung schedule.
0 out of 2.
Yung schedule nila, ano? Rotation. Wala ka iba-iba, di ba?
14 on the shot clock.
Nangyari sa ito eh.
Tama. Sinabi ko. Nakagaw ni Zamara. Manayaw. 50 seconds. Over 3! 52-40. Mahaba, dire-diretso. 2 points. 54-40. De Cruz. Fishes a foul.
92.
On number 92,
Second.
Andaya, that is his second personal foul.
Yeah.
Penalty. 2 free throws for number 11, De La Cruz.
Wala.
No good. 0 out of 2 on that trip on the line. Nangaban. Serafico. Oh, End of the third quarter. Official score is 54-40 in favor of Brothers. Back to the ballgame. Start of the fourth quarter.
Dalawang,
Hindi sila makakalawin.
dalawang ano yun, dalawang timeout.
Panthers.
Dalawang
14
yung ano.
to shoot.
Tama ba yan?
Yung way.
24 seconds.
Yan.
Geronimo rebound. Andaya lays it up. Eto na si Cass. De La Cruz. Manayaw. But there is a foul
36.
on number 36.
Third.
Geronimo, that is his third personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 4, Manayaw.
Puta, wala. Sayang.
You're on the second, splitting the charity, 1 out of 2. 54-41. Still in favor of Brothers with 9 minutes and 14. 15 to shoot. Espero back to Lazarte. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Ole. Geronimo. No. Manayaw. 2 on 3, 2 on 4. Manayaw, what is he gonna do? Binigay kay De La Cruz. No. Rebound number 92, Andaya. Service the floor. Geronimo. But there is a loose ball foul.
Number
On number
8.
8,
First.
Cass, that is his first personal foul, first team foul. 14 on the shot clock. Ole, ole. Ito si Cass. Wanayaw. Rebound Escuela. Ole, ole. Geronimo. Gets the basket to go for Geronimo. 56 to 41. 15 kinahabol ng Panthers. With 8 minutes remaining in the game.
Dudubot ako.
10 seconds on the shot clock. Rebound ole ole. Lazarte. Lazarte to Geronimo. What an unselfish play. He goes the layup. Cass. Valcas. Turnover.
Ang taas! Otik yan.
Lazarte slowing down the pace of the basketball. Looking at the clock. 15 to shoot. Ole Ole receives. 10 to shoot. Rebound. Malayaw. 3 on 2. Malayaw. Block. Throw it away. Save basketball. With 19 on the shot clock.
Taas tumulo nun.
19 to shoot. What an emphatic block by Ole Ole. Manayaw. Rebound Ole Ole. Geronimo. Geronimo. No good. Rebound Manayaw. Over to Oba. Cass. 15 to shoot. Oba. Goes up. Geronimo on the board. Geronimo. Slowly but surely. 2 points. 58-41. 6 minutes and 20 remaining in the ballgame. Here's Cass.
Foul number 1.
There's a foul on number 1.
First.
Lazarte only his first personal foul, second team foul.
Ole, ole. Sub daw, sub.
Substitution. Manayaw, block the pass. Sa corner. Oba, pulls up. Bad pass, good defense. Geronimo. Geronimo, muscles his way. Yes, sir.
Grabe yun!
60-41. 19 big point lead. Manayaw. Block. Manayaw gets the loose ball. Espera with the basketball. Espera runs. 3 on 1. Block. Swat it away.
Time out!
Timeout.
Panthers.
Panthers. Official score is 60-41 in favor of Brothers with 5 minutes and 9 seconds remaining in the ballgame. Back to the ballgame. To shoot. Ole, ole. What a shot.
Grabe yun.
Shot for Ole, ole.
Hindi Binali-bali.
Exactly 5 minutes remaining. Omar Vidalion to pass with 15 to shoot.
Binali-bali pa.
10 seconds to shoot. Vidalion fade away. In and out. Rebound is Asinas. Here is Espera. Looks at the clock. Ball play. No! Overcuts the easy 2 points. Recovers Estelvino with the 2 points. 62 to 41. Or 64 to 41. 4:20 to go. Manayo on the go there. Manayo short. Only to Espera. 3-on-2 break. Kick out to Estelvino. All the time in the world. Go. Rebound Vidalion. Omar pulls up. In and out. Rebound. Las Casinas. Estelvino. 2. Estelvino. Over to Mahaba or Budia. The ball. Same basketball. With 13 to shoot. Rebound Manayo. Here is Omar over to Zavala. Zavala pulls up. Overcooks the shot. Rebound Cass. 14 to shoot. What a shot for Cass. 2 points. 64-43.
Tay, reserve sub ah.
10 seconds to shoot. No good. 10 to shoot.
Foul.
Substitution.
Foul number 0.
Foul on number 0, Ole Ole.
First.
Only his first personal foul, 13 foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 4, Manayo.
Kunin ko nga na yun si
Six to
Manayaw.
first.
Sinil sana yung ano ko isa sa medical 5 ko kaso di nagpapapunta
Basket. 2 out of 2.
Tatlong game di pumunta Kukunin ko ito ipapalit ko.
50 on the shot
Walang
clock.
absent yan
Serapico.
Kahit talo pero
9 to shoot. Getia. Getia no good. Rebound Serapico. Short.
Sap toy. Sap.
Substitution.
Dalawin mo yung wire. Pag di gumana, yung wire yung ano yun.
Vidalion, Zavala. Last 2 minutes. Rebound is Casinas. Same ball. 14 to shoot.
Tapos tumalon nun.
Tumalisik yung isa, tumawa doon sa kampi niya.
Grabe yun.
Zavala fakes.
Wala.
Rebound Medina. Beltizer, touchdown 2 points. 66-45, a minute and 33 remaining in the ballgame. Manayaw. No good. Rebound Medina. 3-on-1 break. Medina. Serapico. Beltizer. Acrobatic shot. No good. Medina. 100. In and out. But there is a foul on number 22, Beltizer.
First.
That is his first personal foul, warning for penalty.
Time out. Time out.
Timeout, Panthers. Official score is 66 to 45 with a minute and 8 remaining in the ball game in favor of Brothers.
Ilan na yan? 16:21? Ay? Ano ba? Oo nga, 21 ano?
Pangit ng gilas ngayon.
Back to the ball game.
Pangit ng lineup. Last Brownie na. Si Ray Parks.
Sino nga si Ray Park?
Oo, lalo. Kasi ano, si Peter Ravena lang din malakas.
15 to shoot.
Ang lalaki ka mo kaya. Puro big man.
Puro guard.
Oo.
Rebound, Gatia. Malteser. Malteser shoots 2 points. 68-45. Seconds on the shot clock. Ano ba? Escasillas. Yes, sir. 70-45. Manayaw. Being harassed by Vicente. Manayaw. Cass all alone. Basket is good. Nothing but net. 70-47. Baldicer. 2 points. 72 to 47. Last 23 seconds. 20 seconds. Zamara. Open jumper good. Serapio. 10 seconds. Baldicer. End of the ball game. Official score is 72 to 49, and your winner, Brothers.
Ilan yan? 23?
Piste ka na ba? Dahil sa traffic Pilihan ka na ba? Sa gabi
Meron pa! Sa Monday, Titans.
Lakas pa. Finals na.
Sabihan mo ako pag di kayo lalaro para di ko na papuntahin yung referee.
Sabi ko, punta pagod na kami. Pero enjoy.
Sige. Ano sulit yung quota niya, di ba? Si Mangabat pa rin, yung number 2.
Apat na naman.
Ano sulit yung quota, di ba? Para lang kayo nagpapawis na nag-aambagan ng magaganga ano.